I'll show you how to add a shadow in CapCut on your phone. As you can see here, I'll be demonstrating with this character. Let's start carefully. This little character, as you can see here, is our subject. What do we do next? We must carefully copy it. After that, we need to move it precisely downwards. Now let's proceed. Once again, we carefully move it down just like this, as you can see here. And look what happens. We have two characters. Perfectly aligned, they create a nice shadow effect. Now, with our character ready, what's our next move? We carefully go to Transformation, find Rotation, and precisely rotate the character, as you can see here. Rotate the character 180 degrees, then tap here to reflect it. Position it just like this, as you can see here, and watch the magic unfold beautifully. After this, we carefully navigate to Settings, as you can see here. We search for Settings, and once found, we proceed to locate the Curves option. Now let's move to the Curves section, which is crucial for our next steps. Once there, explore the options thoroughly. Now, let's search for curves, as you can see here. Perhaps I missed it, so let's carefully check again. Once found, we lower everything down, just like this, as you can see here. Now, everything is set perfectly, and we are ready to move forward with our project. Lower it down carefully, then tap OK. Now, let's search for sleep in the options. Once found, choose this specific setting and place it precisely, as you can see here. Set it around 50, then tap OK. Now, as you can see here, we have a really cool shadow effect from the person. This adds a unique touch to your project, don't you think? Thank you all for watching. Wishing everyone good luck. Bye.